Hindi kasi, gusto ko kasi yung happy tayo lahat. Siguro ni Papa lang.
Yes.
Kasi si Papa mabilis siya nung tumawa. Parang ako, pinanganak niya ako doon ng pero lumaki na ako. Saka kasi ako sila, no? Sama-sama kami magkakapatid. Pwede ba umiyak dito? Okay.
Pwede.
Hindi ba lang yung sabi ng nagsasalita? Kasi namumula yung mata kapag umiyak ako. Saka lang talaga may isang tao umiyak na. Sakay ko may galit. Hindi kasi ano, mas masaya kasi yung masaya tayo. Hindi naman sa kapag parang, di ba kasi mabilis napatawa lang dahil namin. Kahit na minsan nauubusan kami dito, pwede bang maghanap ng translator para sa dalawang pamagay sa kasasawa natin. Kasi tayo natin translator tayo. Sino magiging translator nito para sa
Ikaw na lang din.
Ikaw na lang din.
Hindi, si Papa kasi ano siya, my dad is we're not a good daughter or son. For him, we did our best. To make Sana nice gathering for all the classmates all over the world. Not like this. Sana yung magkakasama tayo, yung walang ganito ba? Yung ganon. Gusto ko yung pag nag-gathering tayo, nagpapakain tayo lahat. Oh, next time. Hindi naman po magkaroon tayo ng kanya-kanyang buhay. Parang wala na. So sana paglanuhan na rin. Sama-sama tayo. Si Pinsan, sa kapatid, sa uncle. Tapos, ha?
Iyan ako. Yung mga senior po, pwede na matulog. Yung kaya mo mag-stay na po. For those sleeping, pwede na po kayo matulog. Labas na!
Kulit eh. Sila kayo.
Tawagin namin na. Older sister, Jolie. Say something about my dad. Because we were kanya, that's what he says about it. I want everybody to be happy. And it's really hard for us to see our dad is already in custody. We love him so much. I love my dad so much. Ibigay siya kami sa parang sa'yo ni
Hello everyone. First of all, I'm going to say English for my son and my niece and Ron able to understand. Okay? Well, the first thing I would like to thank everyone.
Ako na lang yung fan language.
Kulit eh.
Anyway. I want to thank everyone for coming, for all
Again?
the happiness
Okay.
and all that. And thanks to everyone that traveled far away. Just sit with the mga
Bisaya.
So anyway, I really appreciate Brenda and Josh. Clarice and the rest are here in the Philippines. left and Charlie. Now look guys, if I forget you, don't tell me, okay? Because some of y'all, you just because along with your name and I couldn't pronounce it, okay? Well, about my dad, when he first come to America, he was like struggling with his English. So everybody was like, I hope you understand me because my English is really good Carabao English. That's what he used to say. And then later times, my dad continued in life, continued his education. So when he graduated high school, he was really happy. And then he had his friend, he's from Iloilo, I believe, and they drink every night and play their lottery ticket. And then they drink the, I can't remember, help me out with this, John. I can't remember the alcohol that they drink all the time.
Tuba.
Yeah, they drink all the time, and they go to school together, and they go at night school, they work, and he worked at a factory where they make plates with Picasa. He was working there. And he was really good about going to school every night. He was really excited, and every time he asked me a question, I said, I'm really great with math. And I say, 1 + 1 = 11. You know what I mean? Other than that, he worked, he's a good dad.
He was very, very hard.
And he works hard. And thing I recall when he was in the Philippines, he liked to sell duha, you know.
You know the tuba, the circle with the hole inside, like you put it in your mouth, you open your mouth and you bite it.
So anyway, he's very,
Dinemo.
he's matulungin siya. And then, so anyway, he sold avocado and then duhat. But most of the time, instead of him selling it, he gives them away. So when he come home, he'll say, my mom would say, where's the money that you sold the duhat for the avocado? And nothing in it anymore. But he does work really hard and
Now we're playing it.
and then I really can't remember a lot. Most of my siblings as well, they're good, and Jenny especially, she likes to plant rice. And me, on the other hand, I like to walk around with my lipstick on and my nails done and my high heel. I don't like to walk around in the farm. But she does the same thing. She like lay in the mud. She like lay in the mud, roll over and all that stuff. And then Julius, he likes to drink gas. and
They almost died, but still happy.
usually Jenny, she likes to work with my dad and my mom. Me, I do a little bit. The hard work and do the laundry. So, but the rest of them, like especially her,
Especially me, because I'm the ampon in the
yeah.
You don't know what is the ampon for your own? The ampon is from, you were born from another mother to a mother.
But anyway, thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. Okay? Thank you.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure my dad doesn't want you guys to cry. He's sad. Ganyan kasi gusto kasi masaya tayo. So kasi napakasi mabilis siya mapatawa.
Anang inanan?
So natawagin ko yung ate ko na may-ari na McDonald's. Shows na McDonald's. My sister is the one who did her best. No video for me promote, but person promotes. I would